not gonna lie. Here's one of my friends because I want to support him. He advertises his music over here. He only has 2 videos, but I think there is there's a link to he likes making music and shit. And if you want to listen to his music when he fucking actually posts that shit, here's a little sample. Yeah, that's as much I'm fucking showing you. You little bitch. I'm kidding. But no. Go to it'll be in the description. Just go in the description, click on that, and subscribe to him because he deserves it. He tries hard, and yeah. Also, why the fuck is there only one musical note on like one of them, but like the other one doesn't? It's fucking weird. YouTube, you're goddamn weird sometimes. But yeah, subscribe to @BrotherBear2029 in the description. Just go in the description, click on it, subscribe to him. Bye-bye.